Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a very unconventional curry. It's a watermelon curry. So don't be scared. It's not the red sweet part of the watermelon, but the white part of the watermelon. So first we are going to put some oil in the pan here, and while it's heating up, we're going to prep our watermelon. So I put some oil here and put it on high and let it heat up. I'll show you what I mean by the white part of the watermelon. I have prepped already some of it here, but I'll show you. So this is the part between the red sweet part and the green cover. We're just going to take off the cover. It's a little tricky because if it's very hard, it's difficult. So watch for your fingers. So here is our white part of the watermelon that we are going to use in our curry. Now we're gonna chop this off really small. And this is what we are going to use in our curry today. So while we were prepping our watermelon, our oil is nice and hot. I have some long chopped onions over here and 2 slit green chilies. Green chilies are optional. If you like it spicy, you can use it. Otherwise, you can skip it. So I'm going to go ahead and put this in our oil. And we don't want to cook the onions really well. We want them to be semi-cooked because it's going to cook. The rest of it is going to cook with the watermelon. And you can use your own spices too, but I like to use this Shaan Achari Gosht Masala in this. It pretty much has everything, so I don't need to use any other spice other than salt. But I'll also in the end give you what spices this has. So if you don't have this, you can still make the curry with whatever you have in your pantry. So at this point, I'll put about 1.5 tablespoons of this masala. I'm going to put a little bit of salt because that masala already has some salt in it. So the onions have been cooking for a little bit. Not too much cooking is needed because we're going to cook them with the watermelon. Here I have my washed up chopped watermelon. So at this point we're going to go ahead and dump that in. We're going to lower our flame to medium and give it a nice stir. That's it. We're going to cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 6 minutes. And we're going to occasionally check to see. We don't want it overcooked because then it's going to get really mushy. And this cooks really fast, just like pumpkin. So now we are ready to check on our curry to see what the status is. And look how beautiful. It's completely done. And that's it. We turn off the gas and it's all done. So here it is, our watermelon curry. It is very delicious. You should definitely try it. We eat a lot of watermelon in our house. So I always tend to throw this, but I thought this time I'm just going to give it a try and try something new. And it came out delicious. So you can eat it with rice or roti, whichever you prefer. Thank you guys for watching my video today. If you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe and do leave us a comment if you have any. And see you next time.